Hi, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, my name is Harshit Gautam, and I'm working as a data scientist in MLOps. And as promised, we are back. Let's start it. So, first of all, let's talk about the things we are going to discuss today. Today, we will talk about what is resume, why to tailor it, then understanding job description, what it is, why it is important to talk about and know about, right? Then how you can identify and you can keywords, why they are important, how to use them, right? And after that, what is CV, why it is important, and then finally we will see best practices and final tips. All right. So first of all, resume is a document which you will be sending, which will like you will be sending to recruiter while applying for a job. And in that document, you will mention every single detail about you, right? Your name, your locality, your like experience, your certifications, educations, everything. So that resume is very important to be tailored properly because it is important for visibility and relevance. Let them know that there is a person exists that is best fit for that job, right? And it will also help you to align your resume with the job and culture, okay, we are applying for. And once your resume is tailored properly and you submit that perfect resume for the job, there will be higher chances that your resume is shortlisted for interview because you will not be only one who is applying for that job, right? And then finally, like out is very important. There will be a lot of applicants, so you will have to stand out, you will have to showcase something which you consist. Job description will be one official document which recruiter will like which recruiter will publish from their end, right? Now in the job description they will be filling about all the information about the like skills or everything they are looking for. For example, they are looking for one data scientist and they want the data scientist to be skilled in sorry for this internet issue. Just 1 minute. Let me share my screen again. Yeah. So we were talking about JD. So JD will be that document which will hold every single information about you, right? Now, that JD is important to read. That is very important. What you will be doing, you will be reading the JD and pointing out all those skills. You will note down all those skills which they are asking for and which you have. Once you and you will update your resume once you read the JD properly, you can note down, like you can guess that what are possible interview questions that they might ask in interview. So you can do that thing also. You can identify your relevant skills after reading JD. You should highlight your achievements, right? You should highlight your measurable achievements. Then prioritize your content. Highlight your most relevant experience in the JD, and update your resume properly. That is most important thing. Updating is very important. Whenever there is a new library, a new LLM launched, any new technique is there, right? You learned something new, so put that thing in your resume. There is something called as ATS software which will like give score to your resume based on keywords matched. So keywords you will have to select after reading JD and your resume. So identify relevant keywords. I'll let you know what are required keywords. Then you should keep them in a natural way. It should be not looking like you have put in everything, right? You should be balancing keyword uses, and please avoid putting everything, okay, and irrelevant things. Then customizing your resume layout. So there are three options which you can go with, which are chronological, functional, and combination formats, right? And one of these you can choose that will be good for you. Enhance readability. Okay, use a simple and clean layout. Put your like experience and skills on the top, the projects you have done on the top. Okay, so that the focus can be there, and then you can use few visuals or graphs, and you can like showcase what work you have done in past. Then finally talking about this cover letter. So cover letter will be a document which along with your resume document you will be sending that message, that cover letter. So in that you will mention that why really you are interested in that job, and why you want to get that job in that company. So it will give one personal touch to your resume, right, overall. So this will be helpful for you. Now talking about final tips and best practices. So what you should do, you should proofread your resume properly. It should be prone, like there should be no errors, and no grammatical errors, or you should not put something which you don't know about. For example, if you don't know about Llama 2 LLM, so don't put that thing. Okay, then take feedback of your mentors, your trainers from 360. If something is required to be changed in your resume, then keep it current, update it regularly, as I told you, and engage in networking, guys. Go to LinkedIn, Naukri, and create connections there, right? Then these are few famous job portals. You can note down, you can take a snap of it, and go there and build your professional profile. A simple photo, like your profile, like your profile picture, and put your interest, and put your skills there, and keep applying for the different job roles. After that, we have few results, Google search results. So when somewhere goes to internet and they search for these things like job vacancies, so they find these results, and you can also do the same thing. Here are few famous keywords which you can use, you can put in your resume, but again, don't put anything and everything, right? You should first read the JD and then decide what are the required keywords. Okay. Now, talking about frequently asked questions in interview. So they can ask that, what are you worried about, or give me example of your creativity. Are you willing to relocate or not? So these things they might ask. Now these questions will be personal, so you can decide what you have to answer. And if you want to connect us, you can contact us at 1-800-212 654321. You can visit our official site 360digitmg.com, and as well, uh, we have our franchisee across the globe, and we have our headquarters in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. Right. So you can scan these QR codes so that you can find us on different social media platforms. And you can also find us on different all the updates regarding data science. So that is all for today. Thanks everyone for joining the session, and keep applying, keep updating your resume, keep learning new things. Go to like mind map, go to 360digitmg.com, and build your career. Best of luck. Thank you. Thanks for joining us.